Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of EngageBay Action Automation for Workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, you'll use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install. And when you find the application, click on it. Once that's done, this interface appears. And in this interface, you click on Install. Then allow an install. Next, refresh your page. And when the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains information about the application. The second tab is the tutorials tab, which contains videos and smart cues that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Up next is the setup tab, and this is where we set up the application. Start by clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your EngageBay account online and hover on your profile. In your profile, click on Account Settings. Then click on API and Tracking Code. Head over here, copy your API key, head back to your account, and paste it where required. Then you click Complete Setup. And as you can see, the application was set up successfully. Up next is the support tab. And here you can book calls or get tickets with our support team each time you have any issues. And finally is the changelog tab, which keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. And you can also receive notifications each time a change is made by toggling this on, filling in your email address, and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.